This is by far the best 3-bed caravan lodge I have seen so far this year. Hello and welcome back. My name's Sham, here at the Waterside Holiday Group. Today I am here at Bowleaze Cove Holiday Park and Spa. We are at the showground and I have got a massive 3-bedroom caravan lodge to show you. We have the Pemberton Rivington. This is a 42 foot in length, 13 foot wide, fully residential spec caravan lodge. The first thing you see on your right when you walk in is a full-size integrated fridge freezer and a handy little storage for your coats and your shoes. And you can see for yourself this stunning kitchen with the mirror splashback and the stunning plinth lighting that you can see at the bottom that finishes this kitchen off so beautifully. And also in this holiday home, we have gone full high spec. We have got a full size dishwasher. You have also got the integrated microwave, and you can see how much storage you have in this fully fitted kitchen. And we have upgraded the washing machine to a washer dryer. And to finish off the kitchen, you've got this really nice 2-stool breakfast bar to help add to the 6-seater dining table. This is an 8-berth because it has a pull-out sofa bed. And bringing you into the lounge, you have got this stunning L-shaped freestanding sofa with its own footrest that is also storage. We also have large sliding doors in this one as opposed to front opening. Now, the reason why I like this style so much is because you can have it open 6 inches or you can have it open over 2 feet. And to finish off the front room, you've got this stunning feature wall, perfect space for a TV, the lovely electric fireplace, and you've got storage below and above. Now, before taking you to the back end of the holiday home, we have a really nice shut-off door here where you could be spending time in the evenings. Kids and other family members could be asleep with this really great sectioned off door. As we come in, the first door on the left is our first twin room. You've got overhead storage, you've got a wardrobe in place, you've got blinds to finish, and you've even got a TV bracket. The second door on your right is your first shower. You've got loads of storage, a toilet, and a really stunning wash hand basin. Then the third door you have on your left, it mirrors the first twin room that you've seen. Now, bringing you into the master bedroom, you have got down lights, side lights, stunning space. This bed is a king size with a lift up. We've ordered an ottoman bed to give you more storage on top of your walk-in wardrobe. And to make this room even better, you have your very own ensuite shower, toilet and wash hand basin. So if you would like to come and view this residential spec caravan lodge, give us a call on 01305 836 836 or click the link below.